In this lesson, I want to talk to you about something that can shape your entire design journey. And that is deciding if you want to focus on one big project for a long time or work on lots of smaller projects across different areas. Sometimes a graphic designer might spend 9 months perfecting a single piece of work. For example, like working on a movie poster for a big Hollywood production. That poster could then be seen by millions of people, and its impact can help to sell thousands of theater tickets. Yes, it's a long, detailed process, but wow, does it feel amazing when you see your work out in the world like that. On the other hand, some graphic designers create tons of quick designs in that same 9-month period. Maybe leaflets, social media graphics, or even logos. And by doing so, they collect experience across lots of different areas. It's just that each project is faster to complete. So, which approach is the right one then? Well, if you're somebody that loves zooming in on every tiny detail, then I would say focusing on one big, amazing project might feel really awesome. But if you're somebody that loves to switch things up all the time, you might enjoy creating lots of smaller designs. Neither choice is better or worse. They are just different ways to grow your talent. But thinking ahead like this can help you to figure out which style fits you best. If your dream is to one day design posters for big movies, you might want to practice making movie posters right now, so you can become the best at it. But if you'd rather explore everything, like creating logos one day and comic book art the next, that's cool too. You will build a wide range of skills along the years, and who knows what exciting projects you will discover along the way. The main idea is to know yourself. Some people love that laser focus on a single lane, while others need the freedom to jump around. The sooner you recognize which type of designer you are, the easier it will be to shape your practice, choose the projects you want to tackle, and then build a portfolio that truly reflects who you are. Still, you might be asking yourself, how do I decide? First, ask yourself, do I get bored sticking to one thing? If you do, maybe you are the try everything kind of designer. Or ask yourself, do I get excited imagining my artwork perfected over time? If you do, then maybe you are a big project kind of designer. Remember, you can always change your mind as you learn. So that's all for this episode on specialists and generalists. But hey, are you ready for the next one?